Hello everybody, this is Advertise, and on this guide I'm going to show you how to add products and services to your Google My Business account. Okay, so in order to upload a product or a service in your Google My Business account, all you have to do is first of all sign up to your account that is managing the Google My Business account. And here you can see you can add an offer here. The offer can be limited by dates, a start date and an end date, and you can give an offer title here and also add photos, up to 10 photos for each service or product. Here you can add more details. First of all, you of course can give the full details for the offer. If it's an e-commerce, you can also give the voucher code, which is the coupon code, and that's the link that you can put here to redeem the offer. Now, if you have terms and conditions, of course, you can put here, and that's all for this place. You don't have to put price. All you do here is actually giving an offer and limiting it with dates. Let's say, for an example, that I want to sell this service and add the link right here. Of course, give the title of the offer right here, advertise on Google PPC. Perhaps maybe I can start from today and end it for until the end of the month, and give it the title which contains the Black Friday offer, because those are dates for the Black Friday offer. Here I can give more details as well. I can just put it like here if I want to, and give it the price if I want to. I don't have to put the price right here, but just for an example, I can put here, instead of it's only until the end of the month. And that's it for Black Friday offer. After that, I can put and add the image for my computer just by dragging and dropping it here. Let's say, for an example, just put one image, because I can put up to 10 images here, and that's it for now. I can post it and see here the changes I made and the upload I made just right now. And if I want to check it, how it looks like on my profile, I just refresh the page, go down here, press on this arrow and see all, because these first are the posts, and then I can see all and also the offers right here if I click on view all, and that's it. So as you saw, it's very easy to add services and products to your Google My Business account. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below and I will comment, and on the first comment I'm putting the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.